Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, when I first laid eyes on this 1971 Chevrolet G30 Camper Conversion, I swear I heard disco music playing somewhere in the background. I believe this van doesn't just roll, it struts down the highway like it's headed to Studio 54, only with a bed and a refrigerator in the back. Now, this beauty started life as a simple G30 van, but back in 1971, the folks at Open Road Industries in Warren, Ohio, decided to give it a serious glow-up. They added a high-top conversion that turned a regular delivery van into a mobile apartment with attitude. Fast forward to 2023, and a new owner decided to give it a second life using a VanLab interior kit. And the results are as groovy as you'd hope. Step inside, and you're greeted with birch-faced paneling, custom cabinetry, and a sleeping platform that makes you wonder if the 70s really were the golden age of comfort. The van comes with a sink, cooktop, and a Dometic refrigerator-freezer combo. Everything you need for the ultimate weekend getaway, or a very stylish escape from your in-laws. Tank capacity sits at 7 gallons, 26.5 liters, for fresh water, and 4 gallons, 15 liters, for gray water. There's also LED lighting, USB ports, and even pop-up power outlets. Pretty advanced for a vehicle that's been around longer than most of my neighbors' marriages. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liters V8 mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission. Sure, it's not breaking any land speed records, but I think it's more about cruising slow and letting everyone admire the view. Your van, not your face. The setup rides on white 16-inch wheels fitted with Vredestein Pinza AT tires, supported by replacement springs, front air springs, and a leveling kit, all installed in 2023. The interior climate is handled by a heater and an AC unit, though I believe the AC might just blow warm nostalgia at this point since the belt's missing. A MaxxAir roof fan, inverter, and a Blue Sea Systems fuse block keep things modern. And solar wiring has already been installed up top. Panels included. Just don't forget your screwdriver if you want them actually working. Now there's some bodywork to keep you humble. A few leaks, a missing trim piece, and some rust around the wheel wells. But let's face it, that's like wrinkles on a rock star, part of the charm. Finished in white over blue, this van sold for $3,700, around €3,450, which I think is a steal for something that can turn heads at a campground faster than a guy grilling without a shirt. What I liked the most is how much character this camper has. It's a time capsule of American road tripping spirit, part DIY, part dream. So if you ever spot one of these rolling by, tip your hat. It's not just a van, it's a memory machine built with wood, steel, and pure heart. And hey, if you enjoyed this ride through vintage van history, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's right, $1. Think of it as fueling our coffee fund, so I don't have to sell my neighbor's lawnmower for gas money. The sponsorship link's right below the video. Easier to click than fixing an AC belt.